With so many people working from home now, the home office has taken on a much bigger role in our lives. This office, which we like to call the Zoom room, was designed by Ria Joes. Ria had your busy Outlook calendar in mind when she designed this room. She created multiple areas for taking video calls. For example, you can sit in front of this beautiful Roman shade, which will soften the light behind you. You can also sit on this plush chair for more casual calls. Finally, you can also sit here at this California Closet's modular desk. The plus side of having multiple sitting areas is that multiple family members can work at the same time in the same room. Ria filled this space with relatively easy DIY projects, like this pin board. All you need to do is take fabric, stretch it over some foam core, and staple the back. Then tack up inspirational images and reminders. A home office must have lots of storage, and all of this shelving is perfect for stashing supplies, books, files, and some of your favorite decorative items. Can you believe this built-in is actually an IKEA bookshelf? Adding some crown molding and making it the same color as the rest of the room makes it look way more expensive. The color of the room is City Arboretum by Valspar. If the thought of decorating an entire bookshelf intimidates you, stop right there. What's most important is that you decorate it with things you love. Arrange those pieces so they vary in height. Smaller items should be grouped in trios and pairs, while larger items can stand alone. Books can go into stacks vertically or horizontally, and get creative with the way that you display your art. You can hang it in front of the shelf like the way Ria did here. It's really, really trendy right now. I hope you got some ideas for how to make the most of your space. Head to realsimple.com for more design tips and tricks.